Hello, Capricorn. For all you newbies, welcome. And for all my return viewers, hello, thank you. And I love you so much. Thank you for all your love and support for my channel. I'm so glad that you're back again. We're going to do a quick check on the situation. I'm going to have over here on the left, your person on the right. Situation and issue in the center. At the top to the left will be the next action that you're going to take. Over here, your person's next action. Down here is what you don't see coming, what's hidden from you on both sides. And of course, your person over here. And here's the potential outcome. And this is the overall energy for the reading up here. So remember, for those of you that are new, roles can always be reversed. So if you resonate with the situation that is supposed to be your partner on here, over here on the right, flip it. However it resonates for your situation. It could go back and forth either way. So whatever resonates for you, keep that in mind. Genders are fluid as well. Male or female, I may refer to them as he or she. However, it could be either energy. We all have male and female energies within us. So let's get started. What we have at the very top for the overall energy of this situation, there is some deception. Someone's wearing a false self-mask in this relationship. Heart-to-heart conversations. Honestly discuss your feelings with each other. And then we have make the effort. Great love is worth taking the steps you're guided to take. Now, this is your current feelings, thoughts, and energy about the situation, and this is your person's. The situation seems to be the Eight of Cups in reverse. For you, Capricorn, we have 10 of Cups. For your person, it's Wheel of Fortune. So it looks like there is a situation that there's some sort of deception that's going on. And when we clarify, we'll get more information about that. But neither one of you want to walk away from this situation with the Eight of Cups in reverse. You're both still emotionally invested in each other. And I really see that, Capricorn, on your side with the 10 of Cups. It's like all that's needed in this relationship is that Two of Cups. And Spirit is saying, make the effort, have a heart-to-heart conversation. And it looks like there needs to be some sort of change. And I say that because I see the Wheel of Fortune, and it looks like there's someone, which is your person's side, needs to make a change. And it almost looks like, there's with some sort of deception, it looks like for your person, and it looks like the divine is going to push this, your person's hand, so to speak, because it looks like the divine is going to be stepping in to make these changes within this relationship. So let's get some clarification. Why is the Eight of Cups here in reverse? And we have Six of Swords. Let's get one more. And the Hierophant. Okay. Let's get some more for why is the 10 of Cups here for Capricorn? We have Ace of Coins in reverse. Let's get one more. We got, okay, too many. I will take this one. Knight of Pentacles. And why is the Wheel of Fortune here? We have Nine of Cups. And one more. The Empress. Okay, bottom of the deck, Two of Coins in reverse. Interesting. So it looks like with the Two of Coins, there may be some equal give and take in the situation. And it looks like also There is a long-term committed relationship. And we have the Six of Swords, which is also a card that talks about moving on. So, but it's also about moving on into calmer waters. So there's something to do with this Hierophant, the Eight of Cups, and the Six of Swords, along with some deception that's going on. And what I want to say, will go to your person's side here, is that this person's needing to make a change. And I feel like this person recognizes they've met their Empress, and that there's a need, because I feel like your person needs to evolve, needs to make some changes to be equal partners with this Empress. And part of this deception I see with this Nine of Cups is this person, some of this deception may be that this person may drink too much, and there needs to be a change in that. But I also see that maybe one, and that's just a side note for a few of you, but it looks like this Empress, and remember, genders are fluid, is this person's wish fulfillment. So I believe it's a combination of things there. Now on your side, Capricorn, not only do you see a Ten of Cups, but I feel like there is a delay with the Ace of Coins in reverse, and then we have the Knight of Coins. So we have this relationship that is, again, you're looking at is a wish fulfillment, can be stable, grounded, something that is good, and will probably take a bit of time with the Knight of Pentacles here. He's the slowest knight in the deck, but there's a delay. So I get a feeling that, you know, this conversation has to do about moving on into calmer waters, whatever this conflict is. So let's dive a little bit deeper. Why is the Six of Swords, Eight of Cups, and the Hierophant here for the situation for Cappy? Ooh, too many cards. We have alone, abandoned, lonely, lost. The divine is with you. Tell me more. Outcome, results, conclusion, ending. You will get a resolution. Tell me more. Ooh, I'm losing the cards. Giving me a hard time today. And we have big goals, career, business, success. Claim your place in the world. Why is the Hierophant here? Rise above, drama, obstacles, pettiness. Find the strength to rise. Forgive, tranquility, peace of mind, heart, freedom from the past. Okay. So what I'm seeing is there may be, I'm getting that there may be some sort of a past, some sort of a past relationship Now, I have there's a couple different stories here. But what I'm seeing is, first of all, that you guys there's a lot of work going on with big goals. Someone has a lot of, at their job, there's a lot of things they're working on, very career oriented. Of course, Pentacles over here with Capricorn. This is something that's very important. It looks like there's some sort of a work and home balance that is needed within this situation. And it looks like people need to put more effort into a relationship, especially if this was a long-term type of relationship. And with this deception, there's someone that needs some forgiveness about this deception. What was the deception? What was the deception? Soulmates. What's the deception? Tell me more. We have ego, pride, jealousy, walls, let your guard down. Divine timing. Okay, so it looks like there's still, it's like the cards don't seem to want to talk. So we'll get some more into what these other cards say. And maybe we'll get more answers there. So we have ego, divine timing, and soulmate. So it looks like this could be one of those things. So we have divine timing here and also here, where, again, I see the divine stepping into this relationship because someone let their ego get in the way of this beautiful soulmate connection. And then at the bottom of the deck, it's separation. So you guys may be in separation right now. And if not, you will be, or it will be on the horizon. And I almost feel like the separation is necessary in order for things to work out with you guys and bring this balance. I also feel like there's a need for space as well. So let's look at some of these other cards. So the next actions that you guys will take towards each other. We have Six of Cups, Nine of Swords on your side, and then we have Five of Coins and Nine of Coins on your person's side. So what it looks like, first of all, I'm noticing the 9 and 9 and 9. We have Nine of Coins, Nine of Swords, and Nine of Cups. So there may be a number synchronicity, nines, that you may be seeing, like maybe a cash register receipt, $9.99 or whatever that may be. And that's kind of a signal as to, tell you that you're on the right path. Could be someone's life path number as well. Now, your person, it looks like the next action they plan on taking is, it looks like it's going to bring them to being single. That's what I see with this Nine of Coins. Now, it's kind of a contradictory type of thing because we have this Five of Coins as well. And with the Five of Coins or Five of Pentacles, I believe that this person knows that they are going to be struggling when they become single. They will be okay and they will be fine on their own, but I feel like there's going to be a bit of a struggle. So let's see what that struggle is going to be. I got it upside down. Okay. Uh-oh. We have the Lovers that came out in reverse. Tell me more. Uh-oh. Three of Swords. So the Lovers in reverse and the Three of Swords. Ooh, yeah, look at these all came out also with that. I'm not going to take them all. I'm going to take this. But So first of all, the Lovers in reverse is all about an imbalance, a bad choice, disharmony, arguments, and it can also be a breakup. And then we see the Three of Swords as well. So it's kind of ironic. We see the Lovers in reverse, and I talk about this person becoming single, and then we also see the Three of Swords. So it looks like with this deception makes sense that it looks like, I'm sorry, Cappy, and this is only for some of you. I mean, this is, it can go, it's a couple different ways, but the Three of Swords is heartbreak, heartache, over a breakup. And it looks like there's something with the divine stepping in, and making, you know, this person become single. And so for some of you that know that there is a third party or another person that your person is seeing or dating or whatever it is, it kind of makes sense in here as well in the very beginning that your person I'm looking at could have been in a long-term relationship with the Hierophant right here. And they're going to be coming single, and that's going to be necessary in order for them to move forward in this Ten of Cups with you. That could be why there is a delay as well, and divine timing at play. And like I said in the beginning, it looks like neither one of you want this to be over with, but it looks like this person is in a committed relationship or a long-term type of relationship with somebody else. And if it's not that, and I say that that's probably for most of you because of the Hierophant right here, but the long-term relationship could be with you as well, Capricorn. But the other thing too is a marriage could be at stake because someone, your person, is letting something else. Now it could be their job, their employment. It could be a number of things, but it's some other type of energy that's getting in the way of your relationship, and things will happen in divine timing. So let's do that. Now let's move over to you. Now things are starting to really make sense. And like I said, these that came out with the Three of Swords, we have the Five of Cups. So whatever, you know, this ending is, this person is very regretful. And it looks like with the Two of Cups and the Two of Swords, that they regret that it affected this soul union, this twin Two of Cup union. And I believe that that's with you because we also have the Eight of Cups. This is the missing Two of Cups in your relationship, Capricorn. And this person failed to make a decision. They knew they had to make one, and it had to do with this third energy that was causing a block in this relationship. They failed to make it. They were blinding themselves to it. And that's when the divine is stepping in. Now for you, Capricorn, you have Six of Cups and Nine of Swords. So it looks like you're staying up. You sleepless nights. There may be some depression, anxiety, wondering if things are really going to work out between you and your person. And with the Six of Cups, there's a lot of these memories that go over and over and play over in your mind about you and this person and the relationship. So tell me more. Capricorn, as always, you're pretty straightforward. Oh, here we go. So we have Four of Spears and Knight of Spears. So yeah, because it's all about this stability, a foundation that you really want with this person. And the Knight of Spears, oftentimes it gets a really bad reputation. He's known to be like the player, charming and all this stuff, and hot-tempered and stuff. And I almost get the feeling that it's just you wish this person would just, sweep you off your feet, because you see a future with this person. It's just these other issues which are major in this relationship. And I feel like, Capricorn, you recognize this soul bond with this person, and it's almost like agony for you. So let's see what is hidden. So what is it that you guys don't see coming? So for your person, it's the Queen of Spears, or Queen of Wands in reverse, the Page of Cups. And for you, Capricorn, we have the Moon and Six of Spears. So what it looks like, I want to say that when this breakup or thing happens and your person becomes a single, whether they're, whatever happens and they become in this single energy, abundant in their own right. Now, for most of you, which I say there's a third part energy type thing, this third energy could be an ex, baby mama, that kind of, or baby daddy, that type of drama. And so it's that type of person, which is the Queen of Spears. I don't think this person sees this person, their ex, coming in as the Queen of Spears in reverse. And so what that is someone that's demanding, vengeful, jealous, very low confidence and self-esteem. And this person's also known to be very beautiful, and I don't think this person values themselves. They don't see their self-worth. And I feel like they're going to be coming in, and I just heard sloppy. I almost feel like your person's going to be getting like this drunk text from them as well. And almost like trying to use their appeal to, make this sloppy apology. I'm looking at them like offering this cup and there's a fish jumping out of it. This person's just not in their right frame of mind. And I see this message coming across. And, it may be a bit inappropriate is what I'm seeing also. So tell me more. Oh, wow. So we have the 10 of coins in reverse. So this is, okay, so this is confirmation too. So what that third energy, after seeing this, it's definitely like an ex. So baby mama, baby daddy, okay? Like I said, this person's very good looking, but I have a feeling it's, in this sign, they're very manipulative. And they're going to try to manipulate your person with this emotional message, drunk text, or drunk phone call. But it's over the breakup or breakdown in the relationship. And, with the Three of Swords and the lovers and, the disconnection both here and here. I feel like your person made the wrong choice, maybe, and that's, again, just for a few of you, they chose this person rather than you, and now the tables have turned. And divine timing, like I said, stepped in because this person was refusing to take action forward, progressing things with you. And again, we have, okay, well, I don't think I shuffled again, but let me shuffle this real quick. Well, no, I did, because I got out the 10 of coins. So, yeah, we have the 5 of cups, 2 of cups, 2 of swords, and death. And then Ace of Spears. Yeah, so this person has a lot of regrets. about this whole, your person does, about this whole relationship and how everything went down. So over here on your side, we have the Moon and Six of Spears. So what I see is it's almost like this secret victory for you. The Moon is often about a lot of emotions that are hidden. You know, things are hidden in the dark. There's illusions, uncertainty, and dreams, but things being hidden in the dark, and it's right next to the Six of Spears. I feel like when you find out about the disillusion of this relationship and things finally having the opportunity to move forward with you, Capricorn, you're going to view this as a secret victory. And I believe it's secret because if this is just like, I just heard fresh blood, and there's a lot of regrets, you know, that there's going to be some healing that's needed. And especially, you know, if there was some deception and things like that involved. But let's get one more card here for my Capricorns. What else is hidden from my Capricorns? And we have Four of Cups. So it looks like with the Four of Cups, this person is going to make an offer to you, and you don't see it coming. So that's beautiful, Capricorn. Let's see what that potential outcome is. Oh, bottom of the deck too. Look at that. Eight of Spears on the bottom. So there's going to be some communication about this offer, and it's going to come in quicker than you think. And so we have the Hermit, the High Priestess, and the Five of Spears. So before I forget, the signs I'm seeing here for you, Capricorn, is, let's see, Taurus, Virgo, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces again, and Taurus again as well. So could be another earth sign, heavy Taurus, but could also be a Virgo. So, and then heavy water. So water and earth. So let's get some clarification here. Why is the High Priestess here for my Capricorn? We have the Ace of Cups. Why is the Hermit here? Knight of Swords. And why is Five of Spears here? And we have Judgment. Ooh. Bottom, we have Justice. Ooh, wow. I just heard double down on that. Holy smoke-a-nolies. So, Capricorn, it looks like for the potential outcome is intuitively, you know, that there needs to be a lot of internal time alone to yourself to go within and heal, because this looks like it was a pretty rough situation, and both with Judgment and Justice and the Wheel of Fortune, it's some heavy karma is what I see that's going to be dished out. But on a positive note, with the Ace of Cups here, I see that both of you intuitively know that you guys are headed straight for a renewal of this, your relationship with your person. With the Judgment here, this is where I see the renewal, but it's not going to come without conflict. And I do see that because this third energy, it's going to take a little while, especially if it was a marriage or long-term commitment as well. There's always those loose ends that have to be tied up in order for any type of relationship to move forward, which does make sense to me that this is going to be like a secret victory. And I feel like your person is going to come to you, express their emotions with this Ace of Cups. This is what they're going to be offering to you, Capricorn. That Ace of Cups. And it looks like it's going to be coming in faster than you think. And justice is going to be dished out. Like I said, karma is going to hit. So no matter what happened, whether it was you, your person, or their ex or soon to be ex, justice is going to be served. Things are going to be balanced out, and it looks like it's going to be in your favor. But again, I just want to caution, there does need to be some healing that needs to go on behind the scenes for all parties involved. So this is what I have for you, Capricorn. I hope you enjoyed this reading. And if it resonated with you, please leave me a comment, smash that like button, and hit that subscription bell if you'd like to see more readings from me. Until next week, I love you all. Love and light to all. Have a great rest of your day. Bye.